Hi everybody, Lorraine here. What you are looking at is a vase. I have put it on a cup inside a pan because I don't want that big of a mess. And I am going to pour like a dirty cup ring pour over it and see how it turns out. I've picked colors that are in the reds. I have my Deco Art Metallic Berry. I have a primary red that has a little bit of a red metallic in it. Some fluorescent pink. I have some folk art pearl. I might put a little bit of gold in it. And I had one more red I wanted to use. I believe it is my Master's Touch light magenta. So here we go. I'm going to push this forward. I have a cup here. I'm going to start with the lighter colors. Some red in between. A little bit of gold in there, just for some sparkle. With the berry, this is also a metallic, which turns out pretty nice. A little fluorescent. Go with my pearl. A little more red. Light magenta. Fluorescent pink. Metallic berry. I'm thinking I might need a little bit more paint than what I have here. And just add a little more of my colors. Use up this red. Okay, I think I might have enough. It's kind of neat looking. Bring this back. I did put a level on this because I want to make sure it runs evenly over the surface, and I did wipe the glass down with some alcohol so it didn't have any oils from my hands on it or anything. So here we go. I'll get this up here so you can see the top of it. I feel like I'm holding my breath. Well, I thought I had this level, but it is not. There we go. Okay. Oh, very cool colors. Going to come over here and bring it around these points because this is kind of an octagon shape vase. So I want to make sure that it's covering all of it, not just the parts that are subdued. Woo! stand up so I can see what is not covered here on the side. Okay, wow, really pretty colors. This might work better on a smoother surface, but like I said, this is kind of an octagon shaped vase. It's not covering all of the base yet. I don't know if you can see how much runoff there is. There's a lot. Let's see. I don't know if I have a tool that will pick up what's dripped in there. Kind of reminds me of a wax candle burning down and dripping over the surface of something. Okay, I don't know if you can see or not, but there's parts of the base that are not covered. So I am thinking about what I can use to scoop some of the paint that dripped off back onto it so it can drip down the sides. And maybe my small palette knife here will help. Yeah, that seems to be working well. I am going to take my gold, put a drop of it on each one of these points, and let it run down. That looks pretty neat. I will probably let this sit for a while to dry, and then I will find something to varnish it with, and we'll see how it holds up. That gold is dripping down really cool. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Go ahead and hit the like button. Give me a thumbs up. Share my video with others, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Thanks again. Bye.